Hi everyone. Today I'm going to talk about a demo I built for using Docker and Docker images. This is the repo for all the codes and the README file for something about Docker you may know before you started using it. Um, so basically is you create a Docker file and edit it to create an environment that with any all the dependencies you want to install so that it guarantees that your app could be run anywhere, either your on your development machine or on others machines. So this is like the bread and butter of the Docker itself. And some other steps you could follow to get a Docker up running. And finally, I also have a cheat sheet for some frequently used functions you might want to look at for Docker. So for these images and build, I also uploaded to Docker Hub. You can also feel free to browse them here. I also set up the continuous integration of the builds here, so that it monitors any changes I made to the GitHub repo, so that any changes happen, anything I push to the GitHub repo, it will try to build the whole Docker images again. And we can see the build history here. Yeah. And also one good thing about Docker is, so this is like all the files in my repo, but I ran it in a Cloud9 environment. So one good thing about Docker is it has a layer systems that you build one layer upon each other. So in the Docker file, each call of the function is a layer. So we can see this is a layer, this is the first layer, second layer, this is a third layer, fourth layer, and the final layer. So whenever you changes to like the upper layer, it won't changes the down like basic layer, so that this guarantees that Docker runs faster than VM. And also Docker doesn't require you to spin up a new operation OS terminal, which is required by VM. So this is another reason that make Docker much more efficient than VM. So yeah, basically to use it, you can download the code, build a Docker file, and then run the app. Or you could pull the images directly from the Docker Hub and then run the app. It's basically the same idea. So more details could be found at the bottom of the README files here, and the step by steps here. So hope that helps you understanding how to start with Docker. Thank you for your watching.